Hello, students. Today we are going to move on to the second part of Chapter 7 Glimpses of India. In this part, we are going to study about a beautiful place named Kurg, written by Lokesh Abrol. Now, something about the author. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor, traveler, and social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. His love for his country has inspired him to travel, see, write about its various places, and capture them through pleasing photographs. In his travelogue, he has depicted the beauty of Kurg, which is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is located between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. Its beauty has led people to remark that the land drifted away from the kingdom of God. It looks like a piece of heaven on the earth. It is a hilly place of brave men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. It is also known by the name Kodagu. Vegetation of Kurg consists of evergreen forest, which form 30% of the landscape. In addition, there are spices and coffee plantations. The monsoon keeps the visitors away from Kurg. From September till March, it is the ideal time to visit Kurg. On arrival, visitors can expect perfect weather conditions. However, there are many occasional showers thrown in for good measures. The air breathes in an aroma of coffee. The Kurg people, known as the Kodavus, live a life of complete independence. It is believed that they are descended from the Greeks or the Arabs. According to the Greek theory, it is said that a part of Alexander's army found it impossible to go back and was left there. These people married among the locals. The martial traditions of the Greeks, their marriage, and religious rites are quite visible among the Kurg people. According to Arab theory, the kufia, that is a long black coat with an embroidered belt worn by the Kodavus, resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. The Kodavus or Kurgis are known for their bravery and hospitality. The Kurg regiment of the Indian Army has won many bravery awards. General Karyappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was a Kurgi. Kodavus, the people of Kurg, are known for their loyalty and bravery. The Kurg regiment is one of the most celebrated regiments of the Indian Army. The people of Kurg are the only one in India who are allowed to carry firearms without license. The river Kaveri gets its water from Kurg's forests and hills. Mahasir, the largest freshwater fish, is found in these waters. Kingfishers, squirrels, and langurs are found near these waters. Birds, bees, and butterflies give one a good company here. The most popular adventure sports are rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. The Brahmagiri Hills give the climbers a whole view of Kurg. The Nisargadama Island is a lovely island beyond the Brahmagiri Hills. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadama. Buddhist monks from India's Tibetan settlement live in Bailokupe here.